Read all information carefully. Now go to mobile. If you are already connected to another Wi-Fi network, please disconnect from the network. Now connect to TP-Link Extender network. Now type 192.168.0.254. Now create a password for your router admin panel. Now connect your Wi-Fi connection to your Wi-Fi extender. Now enter your main router Wi-Fi password. Now this is your Wi-Fi extended name and your password is the same. Now you need to connect Wi-Fi again because the Wi-Fi name has changed.